This is what started me on leasing cars in 2005. Engine repair, $5,500. Transmission, $2,500. Computer system, $3,500. I'm not interested in paying that. When they come out and say, oh, you got a computer system failure, quartytypo, that's like stabbing me in the heart. So when they say $3,500. No, I lease my cars and I don't lease them any longer than the warranty. That way I get in the car, a new car, start the engine and go. That's all I want to do. No trips to the mechanic. The only time my car sees the shop is for an oil change or a rare recall. And since 2005, I know I had one recall, maybe two. That's it. And I don't even take for oil change, I don't even take it to the dealer. The dealer takes a half a day to do an oil change. I take it to places like Jiffy Lube. I'm in and out in a half hour, 45 minutes. No more repair bills for me. That's why I lease.